can't stop recording.
What?
I'm not gonna stop recording. Tell me when.
Right here. Kneel next to him.
Alright. All I hear is yelling.
Yeah, I'm telling them to put their guns down because, dude, we were being trained from the fence. Go ahead, all you on your knees all the way, just like him, all right? Yeah, it's affirmative. You can, but it's real tight.
Why not?
Man, dude, those ain't air guns.
I know, but
Look for the other three guys and shit. And then I come out, and it just so happens I see people at the fence, and I'm like, well, they're not in the game.
yeah, obviously. I see the truck rolling up through by the houses.
I want to train with them. Shit, they had us in like a matter of fucking minutes.
They didn't see me.
We've been out here for hours.
I was standing there right next to the road, and they just drove past me. I'm like, okay.
I'm
gonna go see what's going on. For what? Hmm?
They call code 4.
For what? Airsoft? You can't call for airsoft. What happened to him?
They thought I was playing with them. That's why I was like, dude, drop it. Just drop it.
After I pat everybody down, we're just gonna seat them right here. Sit down. Hey. Yeah. Alright. Person with the camo, I need you. Person with the camo, drop what's in your hand, put both hands on your head. Drop what's in your hand.
I'm not gonna drop my phone. I'm not gonna stop recording either. I have a right.
Do you have anything on you?
I do not.
Stand up. Walk over this way.
I'm gonna take some of your cuffs, sir. Anything on that snowball? A real sidearm or is it an airsoft? Copy.
They're all airsofts, right? So we said?
Hey, this radio is on for those two guys that are over there right now by the bush, right? Hey, those two stand right over there in the bush. You guys on this radio? Hey, this is LA County Sheriff's. If it's you guys that are over there in the bush, waving a hand to me, start walking north towards me. Walk towards the black and white that's over here on the road.
Copy.
You want to go ahead? Go ahead. See, is he ready? If they're good,
Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna go over to him. I'm gonna secure
just let
those
him know.
two,
Yeah, all right, perfect.
and then we'll call you guys out.
All right.
If you use that radio, man, you might be able to reach him. I believe he has it on.
Yeah, I was trying.